Let's get this lovely beach here. You can just creep along. Pretty thin. This is awesome. Perfect place for surfing. I like the way they would come in really long waves like that. It's amazing. It's funny, just a moment ago the waves were going that way and then the other coming this way. They crashed against each other. Got that on video. Get a shot of this, the sand on the road, and then back to the beach. Yeah. Awesome. What's this thing? Yeah. Oh yeah, a boat on the beach. Wow.
See any lights in any houses?
Well, that guy said that he and his son got power and they live around here. But when I was talking to the second beach.
Where exactly did he say they live?
Jamestown. Didn't say where in Jamestown, but he said he lived.
Yeah, but you see, there's something normally that you would expect to see at least a kitchen light on or something.
Oh yeah.
These houses that we drive by. Did you happen to ask him about the transformers?
No, I didn't. I was so busy.
No worries. I'm just curious.
Yeah.
Maybe when the power comes back on, there'll be some information on the local news.
Let's put it this way, I was so excited about the waves, surprised my brain transformer didn't blow.
They have emergency lights in there.
Oh, yeah.
Post office, which I'm sure has emergency power.
Yeah, the tall computer guy, Mike Anderson, lives in Jamestown. I'm not sure where, but he's so tall you can probably see him no matter where he's at.
Yes.
7 feet tall, and his son is already 6'6", and he's only 13. Of course, I know somebody turned 60 yesterday. He was very tall. I was vomiting up with envy on his growth, but that was way back in 1971.
You're quite tall enough, my dear.
Oh yeah, I'm
If you were any
fine.
taller, we would have to get you special furniture.
Yeah, I'm happy with my height.
I'm sure Mike Anderson has to get special furniture. It won't fit in any bed that you can just buy.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't want to be 7 feet tall. Yeah, we got our power back. When I get all this uploaded on YouTube, of course I'll have to catch up my lost sleep too with all this going
I
on.
know. You know, I cleaned your cup with Brillo, my darling. You could clean your own cup with Brillo. Do you have Brillo?
Oh yeah, I do.
It only took a minute.
Well, rain. Shows you how much of a little lazy bum I am in the mornings. Oh, yeah, when I get
This
there.
is pretty interesting here. Look at how high the water is. My gosh.
Yeah.
My goodness.
There's waves here too. It's just a pond.